Hi guys, today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting polynomials. Let's start by looking at this example. We have 1x plus 1x. 1x and 1x are like terms because both of these terms have the same variable, which is x. That's why, since these two are like terms, we can combine them together, and when we add 1x to 1x, we'll get 2x. Let's take a look at these two examples. We have 4x squared plus 4x. X squared and x are not the same variable. That means 4x squared and 4x are not like terms, which means these two terms cannot be put together. They cannot be combined together. Now, on the other hand, when we have 4x plus 4x, that means we have two terms of the same variable, which is x. That means all we need to do to add these two terms together is to add 4 to 4, which give us ax. Now let's take a look at this example where we have to add a polynomial to another polynomial. We have 3x to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 1 added to 6x to the fourth plus 2x squared minus 7. And we said the key to add polynomials is to look for like terms and combine them. So the first like terms that we're going to look at are 3x to the fourth and 6x to the fourth. These two are like terms because they have the same variable, which is x to the fourth. And the only thing that we need to do now is to put them together or add them together or combine them together. 3 plus 6 is 9, so the answer is 9x to the fourth. Now, the second like terms is negative 5x squared and 2x squared. These two like terms because they have the same variable, which is x squared. So what we need to do is, again, to combine them. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3, so the answer is negative 3x squared. Next is 1 and negative 7. They are like terms. They don't have variables, so all we need to do is to put them together. 1 plus negative 7 is negative 6. Now, what about subtracting polynomials? We have negative 2c to the fifth plus 6c minus 1 subtracted from negative c to the fifth plus 8c plus 2. To subtract polynomials, again, we're going to have to use like terms. But before we can combine like terms, we need to distribute the negative to change the subtraction sign into a plus sign. So we're going to have to multiply each term in the second polynomial by negative 1 to distribute the negative. This means that each term in the second polynomial is going to change its sign. So I'm going to end up with negative c to the fifth plus 8c plus 2 plus, where the subtraction sign changed into a plus sign, 2c to the fifth minus 6c plus 1. Now, we have two polynomials added to each other. That means now we can look for like terms. We have negative c to the fifth plus 2c to the fifth, which means I'm going to end up with 1c to the fifth. Second like terms are 8c and negative 6c. Combining these two like terms together, I'm going to end up with plus 2c, and then I'm adding the numbers 2 and 1 together, or combining them together to get a 3.